Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are screen sharing today because I want to go over this Poshmark insider email that was sent out a few days ago. There is a ton of information in this Poshmark email, a lot of updates coming to Poshmark that I wanted to let you know about. Before we get into the video, I did want to mention just a few things. First, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you join the POSHBOSS HQ Facebook community. I will put the link for the group down in the description box and in the comments. Also, if you would like my free training video, definitely send me an email so we can connect. The email is right there on your screen. It's poshbosshq@gmail.com, and I will send it to you. Also, if you are in my Show Up and Source training course, our next live training is going to be on Tuesday, March 9th. We're going to be covering anthropology brands, spring and summer trends to source, and retail arbitrage. So if you are in the training, definitely make sure that you set a reminder for that. I will be scheduling an event in the private Facebook group. If you would like to join us for this training, if you need help learning how to source, definitely send me an email to poshbosshq@gmail.com and I will send you over the information about that. Obviously, if you're watching this later, the training won't be live, but you can still email me if you would like access to all the trainings that we have done in the course and the training material. Okay, so let's go over the March 2021 Posh Insider email. This email actually contains a lot of information on things that are coming to Poshmark, new updates, things like that, that you really need to be paying attention to. So it starts off March 2021. Spring is in the air, which means it's the perfect time to start spring cleaning you've been putting off. In this insider, we're catching you up on everything you need to know, like new launches, ways to get involved, and helpful tips. So the first thing it talks about is the new pets category on Poshmark. This is a brand new market that they have introduced in the Poshmark app. You can now sell pet toys, clothing and accessories, collars, things like that. They do have a link here where you can go to the Poshmark blog and check out what is allowed, what you are allowed to sell. So if you click on that, it takes you over to the blog. It has an entire list of everything in pet categories that you can sell on Poshmark. So yeah, it includes all of these items for dogs, cats, birds, fish, reptiles, small pets. This is actually a lot of items that you are now allowed to sell on Poshmark, including like aquarium kits, cleaning and maintenance, heating and lights, which is great because they have been really strict on allowing anything in terms of electronics. Small pets, bedding, bowls, cages, carriers, grooming. The only thing I really need to say about this is just to be mindful of what you are listing in terms of the weight. So remember, the Poshmark label only covers items that are up to 5 pounds. Anything over 5 pounds, you have to upgrade your shipping label, and then those upgraded shipping labels only go up to 10 pounds. So you do not want to list anything on Poshmark that is over 10 pounds because you will not be able to ship it with their shipping label. Okay, so back to the email. New features coming soon. This is a huge deal for Poshmark, and these are going to be game changers in terms of you making sales on Poshmark. The first thing is going to be listing videos. Soon you'll have the ability to add videos to your listings, giving you a whole new way to style, showcase, and sell your items. This is going to be amazing because it is going to allow you to add a video of the item that you are selling. Personally, I find this helpful. There are a few websites that have been doing this for a while now that I shop on. It will let you show like the fabric, the materials, especially in clothing, And, a lot of websites have where they have someone modeling the clothing, and you can kind of see if the fabric has stretch, the details. This is also going to be helpful in showing your item to prevent people from opening not as described cases against you. It's going to be really hard for somebody to open an item not as described case against you if you have a video of the item showing every angle of the item in your listing. So you'll be able to post these videos right there in your listing for your customers to see. The next thing is going to be seller discounted shipping. Get ready to take even more control over your listings. We're adding the ability for you to offer discounted shipping to your customers directly in the listing. We will be testing these features over the next few weeks, so stay tuned and be sure to keep your app updated. So this is going to allow you to add an automatic shipping discount in your Poshmark listing. Instead of having to go in and manually send one every time for, when you send out offers to likers and things like that, you're going to be able to put the shipping discount right there in your listing to where your customer gets it automatically. This is going to be a huge step in terms of you making more sales on Poshmark. I always talk about offering shipping discounts to your customers, and now it's going to be a lot more obvious that they are going to get a shipping discount with you. This is a major way to make sales on Poshmark. When they introduced the offers to likers feature where you could send out offers with a shipping discount, that completely changed my business. So this is an even bigger step towards that. I do hope in the future that Poshmark will be offering more shipping options in terms of selling individual items and lightweight items. I do hope they will somehow incorporate a tiered shipping concept, maybe similar to what Mercari has. I do love the contract and the convenience that they have with USPS, where it automatically sends you the shipping label. However, the price is going to continue to rise. Obviously, USPS prices will continue to rise, and I do hope in the future that they will offer more shipping options that don't necessarily take the earnings from the seller or from your listings. Instead, they will have a cheaper shipping option for lightweight items. Next, I want to talk about Poshmark Australia. So Poshmark has just launched in Australia. I'm not sure if anyone watches me from Australia, but if you are watching from Australia, I would love to welcome you to my channel and my videos. When they launched in Canada, I started getting a lot more viewers from Canada. So this is really exciting that Poshmark is launching in another country. So hopefully in the future we will be able to shop and ship internationally. I think that would be really amazing. But this is a great step for Poshmark. It's very promising for Poshmark that they will be going international with Australia. So it says, did you hear Poshmark just launched in Australia? Spread the Posh love to your friends down under by saying hi, sharing your favorite tips, or writing a welcome note. Head to the menu on the top left of the app, tap the flag icon, and select Australia to get started. So I don't believe you can actually shop from people in Australia, but you can tap on the Australia tab and go and talk to people in Australia, which is really cool. Do you have friends in Australia? Invite them to Poshmark by using your referral code. So you will get referral credits if you invite people using your referral code. If you're watching this from Australia, you're welcome to use my referral code. It is Sydney L, and that will give you a Posh credit to go shopping with. I imagine the Poshmark ambassador requirements will be the same in Australia, so you can use that towards your item that you have to buy to become a Poshmark ambassador. Next, this is a great step in the right direction. I'm really excited about this, even though it is virtual, but they are bringing back Posh Party Live. So if you're not familiar with Posh Party Live, pre the shutdown over a year ago, Poshmark would actually have these little parties. They were kind of like mini POSHBOSS, where they would have events and you could go for the evening and hear speakers and talk to other sellers. It says, get ready to network with your PFFs, unlock peer mentorship opportunities, learn insider tips from seller stylists to help grow your business, and so much more. Mark your calendars. The party starts on Thursday, March 11th, and tickets will be available soon. So again, it is a virtual event, but I am hoping soon we will be able to go back to in-person events. Personally, I love the interaction with people and going to these Posh Party Lives. If you would like to participate in the Posh Party Lives, probably as a speaker or something like that, they do have a link here in the email where you can select apply now, and there is a page where it has frequently asked questions. Next, there's information about the Heart and Hustle Community Fund. This is basically Poshmark's grant program where you can apply to receive a grant from them. It says there will be 4 application cycles during the 2021 calendar year. To be considered for each cycle, all applicants must apply for each individual cycle. Double check the eligibility requirements here to make sure you qualify. Be sure you're ready to apply when applications open. So you can go in the email and click on this link, and it will tell you all of the information you need to know about applying for the community fund. And then it goes into some Meet the Poshers here at the bottom, and they have a little survey. If you would like to be featured in the Meet the Posher, they have one from America and Canada, and I imagine they will be adding some Poshers from Australia soon, which is really exciting. More features in the bottom, and then it has the March checklist. It says welcome 5 Australian Poshers, attend a Posh Party Live, and get started on your spring cleaning. So definitely work on these, work on welcoming our new Australian Poshers. I'm really excited about that Poshmark is continuing to expand. I think this is amazing that they are adding in all of these new categories. I'm really excited to see what they add in next. And then these new features that are coming that I think are going to help a lot of people in terms of making sales. I will be doing videos as they roll out these features to kind of help you guys and give my thoughts on how to best utilize them. I am going to wait till they are available for everyone. Again, they are still testing these features, so they are not going to be in everyone's app currently, but hopefully soon everyone will have access to these features. This is probably the most important part of the email right here. So definitely keep an eye out for updates. Again, join the Facebook group. I will definitely be updating you guys. You can follow me on Instagram, which is, I have 2 Instagrams, Thrifting Debutante and Sydney L. Posh, and I will be posting updates on there. But this is the Poshmark Insider email for March 2021. If you guys have any questions, definitely leave them in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.